Hello friends, welcome to our channel C Square. So in this video we'll be discussing how to maintain Epson L3116. If your printer is not printing properly or the print is very hazy, you can follow the simple steps to clean your printer and maintain it at home. So first of all, go to your Windows tab, go to device and printers. Here you can see printer installed, Epson L3110 series. Right click on it, printing preferences. Here there are three tabs: main, more options, and maintain. So go to maintain. Now there is an option of nozzle check, head cleaning, power cleaning, and print head alignment. If you're facing simple issues, you can start with head cleaning, or else you'll have to do power cleaning for major issues. So since my black ink is not detected, so I'll be doing a power cleaning here. So I'll press next. So you can see you can power clean your printer only once in 12 hours. So make sure you have some major issues before power cleaning your printer. Now press next and start. This process will take about 4 to 5 minutes, so you will have to be very patient. It might take more than one clean for your printer to work properly. When the power cleaning starts, the printer produces a noise. So we'll be waiting for the process to complete. Once it's done, most of the printing issues will be resolved. So I had paused my video so my video doesn't get lengthy. So the power clean process is almost complete. It's 75% is almost complete. So let's continue with the video. The printer makes plenty of noise during this process, and it also uses plenty of ink. So make sure you have your ink cartridges refilled before power cleaning. So another 4 to 5 minutes before the power cleaning is complete. So the whole process takes about 15 to 20 minutes. So you will have to be very patient while power cleaning your Epson L3110. So the power cleaning is just about to complete. Once the power cleaning is done, your printer should function properly. So if you find the solution helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my video. Thank you for watching. C Square.